Hi guys, I'm Gail from Wondershare Virbo. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a virtual avatar presentation video using Wondershare Virbo. If you haven't got Wondershare Virbo installed, simply install it onto your devices via the link in the description. Once installed, tap on the icon to launch Wondershare Virbo. Here, you can browse through different variations of video templates, pick one suitable for your project, and get started. For me, I'll take this as an example.
From July 1st to
Here's the
August
preview
31st,
of the template.
our cross-border e-commerce platform
Tap on
is
Create
offering
Video
unlimited
at the
discounts
bottom
on
to
a
start
wide-
editing. If you would like to change the AI presenter, you can tap on the AI avatar's icon and choose your desired presenter. I think he's a cool guy. Let's choose him. Now let's change the voiceover for the avatar we just picked. Wondershare Virbo. I think this is good to go. You can replace the default script with your prepared script by pasting it here. Now let's modify the text details to suit your project and add some images. Here I'll add a mask to make it looks round. Next, let's make some decorations by adding stickers. I think this 50% off sticker looks good with my current template. Let's add this. Lastly, let's browse through the music library and insert a background music. Once everything is good to go, tap on Export and wait for a while as it processes it in the cloud. And voila, now the video is complete rendering and you can watch or ready to post online.